Today I'm going to show you something a little bit different, but to start, I went to the local market and got a fish dish, fish taco thing. You can see the ingredients here, and I didn't have a whole lot of time left in the day because I was running around, but I still wanted to get out on the water. So this is kind of the result, the final result. Now, where the Go Sun Go really outshines the other units is it fits in my backpack a lot easier. It's super light, and I can fit everything in my backpack, hike to wherever, and get out on the water, start cooking. If I was catching a fish, I could fillet it and throw it in this thing, and have a fish cooking while I'm fishing for another fish. So huge advantage. And then, if I end up some miles down the road, I can just pack everything up, throw it in the backpack, and keep going. So another aspect about this is I don't recommend cooking all the way up until the sun goes down, because it's nice to be able to have some assurances about whether or not you're going to be able to finish your meal. I was able to finish this meal, and it was pretty fantastic day to be up there on the water. And the final thing I'll say is that this area happened to have been under the sea at one point in time, and so there is all sorts of fossils, and you can see the clear weathering patterns on the rocks. But what's really ironic to me is that these fossils are all around the ridges where I'm at, but it just so happens that they decided to make a dam, and here is the water once again against the backdrop of these rocks and shambles. Alright, well, thanks for watching.
Alright guys, well, the sun is officially gone. It is 6:40. No more cooking.